Don't forget to shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake, 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 shake it. I look like a dork. Look like a dork. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how I mix my Floetrol for the acrylic paints for your pours. I like to mix it and put it all in one batch, and then that way I have it ready. So when then I get my paints all set up, all I have to do is pour this mix in and I am completely finished. Now Floetrol, if you can see it, get up there. This stuff you can buy at any hardware store, like Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards. Sometimes you can find it at Walmart. You can buy it on Amazon as well. You just have to look for it. Find whatever the best deal that you can find and buy it that way. This stuff is used to thin down the paint, but it doesn't break down the chemical, the molecules. So it doesn't make that black paint turn gray or really strainy looking. If you've ever seen when you've put water, a lot of water in black paint, it kind of looks different. It keeps that color that you want without breaking anything down. It's just the easiest way. If you want all the scientific stuff, I guess you could probably do some research. I don't know. I just use this because it works. Okay, it works. So what I've done, I went ahead and I've gotten all my stuff ready. What I like to do is use one part. So I use the same amount of water as I do the Floetrol. So, and please forgive me, I didn't have any space behind me because I'm waiting for that to dry. So I look like a little munchkin right now. That's okay. So all I'm gonna do is just pour this in. I'm just gonna go half C's because I didn't do this beforehand, which I should have. Rule number 1: do your projects before you start. And I think this might be. That's about half. So just a little bit left, which is fine. And then pour all of this in. And don't get it everywhere like I'm doing. All the way to the top. Perfect. All right. And then just put my little lid on and I'm good to go. You can label it whatever you wish. Just give it a good shake. Hold on, let me put this on really tight because I can see myself now. I'm going to shake this and it's going to go all over the place. And then poor little Crystal's going to come over here and try to lick me and and get sick. So make sure that's on really tight. I'll just give it a good shake and good mix. If you use silicone, you can go ahead and add it in here, or you can add it when you do your paint. It's totally up to you. Everything when you do an acrylic pour is really based on just what you feel comfortable with. You don't have to do it like this. It's just easier. I see. You can put them in mason jars. These I got, they're 2-pack for $1 at the Dollar Tree or dollar store. So it just makes it a lot easier, and then that way I can store it and I can keep it. And as I said, you can use, you can reuse these old bottles and put them all in there, make a big batch. That way it seals. Just something as long as it has a lid or a top so you can seal it, because if it gets air, then it's obviously gonna get like bubbly. It'll look like spoiled milk. Yuck. So anyhow, I hope that helps you a little bit. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will definitely get back with you. If you like this, definitely give it a thumbs up. So anyhow, I will see you later. Thanks. Bye. Don't be stupid. Don't be dumb. Okay, ready now. So I'm gonna be like a little kid, like, Mommy, I need some milk for my cookies. Just forgive me. I'm kinda silly. And I'm not gonna do that. I don't much kids like to fart as much as I do. I'm gonna shake, 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 shake.